Big ass boss and a great impression.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, much interesting video here on the channel. So this one is about Davido, Zubby Michael, and Cubana Chief Priest. Yes, Xhrine Asaba for the launching of Xhrine Asaba, owned by Cubana Chief Priest. A year ago, they launched Xhrine Owerri, and 1 year later, Davido returned to the East Asaba, to be precise, and they launched Xhrine Asaba, and it's there tonight with people like Zubby Michael and loads of others. We all know that the relationship between Davido and Cubana Chief Priest is something that one cannot really come in between them. Like, they have this beautiful love. That's the highlight of it bringing to you here. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification in the comment section. Tell us your thoughts, because we appreciate the love and your time here. Enjoy the video, guys.
Yeah, man. Oh my God. 2.0 Shrine.
My blood.
Shutdown.
Yes, problem.
No, motherfuckers.
Numero uno. You don't be for them. Hey.
Asaba.
Hey, my brother. 2.0 motherfucker. Oh, let the business begin.
My
brother is here. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You guys first.
I to tell you. One day I want to say. Okay. Israel.
The great achiever.
Where go? Where go?
The great achiever.
I tell you.
The great achiever.
Welcome to the family. The King of Kings. My brother is changing. Now my big brother David.
Hey, wow. So
I tell you.
Biggest boss and the great impression. Happy to see you. What's up? You don't joke. Now we there, yeah. Biggest boss. When I try to hack my brother Instagram, I go to post. I tell you. Why? You choke.
The Dawn. That's in the other one. Who they check out? Odogu. Uncle the good shop.
Compliment of the season.
Yes, 100.
It's really going to be an amazing time in Asaba today with the best and the best among the best in music. I know that Davido is the best in music. I don't know who is your own best, but for me, Davido is the best. And yes, his way of showing love to people and supporting others is just top notch and beautiful. And congratulations to Cubana Chief Priest for the launching of Xhrine Asaba. We pray that it becomes a success. And yeah, he said next year he's coming down to Lagos to launch the Xhrine in Lagos. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification. See you guys.